This is going to be a what I eat in a day, but kind of what my daycare kids are eating too. And I'm just going to like post every time I'm eating. Okay? Those are Rice Crisps. They're apple. Do you guys like them?
Yeah.
A lot of people told me to have my daycare kids try these kinds because they didn't really like the chocolate. Are these ones yummy? I tried them and I thought they were good. Actually, everybody's eating them really great. So I have more if you want more, okay? They're also having some cut up grapes. Who's going to eat a grape with me?
Not me. Not me. Not me.
You guys, I love grapes.
Me. Not me.
I love grapes so much.
I like it. Hey, why are you eating them off a giant bowl? Giant bowl.
Well, are any of you having more? I do not have fruit eaters at my daycare right now. Like, not big fruit eaters at all. I have, like, a couple that really like fruit, but otherwise, everybody else, I feel like, could care less about fruit. So, actually, like, the piles of grapes on their plate, the ones that, like, I know didn't touch it at all, I'll probably eat, to be honest. So, I'll show you. I'm also on my second glass of water this morning. I need to finish. I make my...
I'm a polar bear.
You're a polar bear. Wow, I didn't know I had a polar bear come to daycare today.
I'm Sonic.
You're Sonic. I had a polar bear and Sonic come to
I'm
daycare.
Rainbow Sonic.
And Rainbow Sonic.
It's Sonic.
You're a flamingo. I'm the Grinch.
Grinch, you have it funny.
Do you guys like my shirt? It says Holiday Hoobie Wuddy.
That's right.
So anyway, I make myself
I
finish.
don't like that Grinch.
You like this Grinch or you don't like this Grinch?
I don't like that.
You don't like this Grinch?
He
Oh,
takes over all the Christmas.
yeah, you're right.
I like it.
You like it? Thank you.
I don't like it.
You don't like it? Okay, we're like half and half here. Anyway, I like to drink like fun drinks, like coffee and whatever. Okay, you can get down if you're done. This one only ate grapes. My fruit eater. Anyway, I really want an Alani, but I'm making myself finish my second glass of water before I have a fun drink. That's my rule. I have to drink 2 glasses of water and then I get a fun drink. Okay, you can get down if you're done. Are you sure you don't want to eat some more?
No.
Okay. You finish chewing, okay? You finish chewing. Okay? You finish chewing too before you get down. I gave you my... Okay, you can get down if you're done. My daycare kids that never eats grapes ate all of her grapes and wants more. So, good eating this morning, girlie. I shouldn't even say my daycare kids don't like something because half of them ate the grapes today. I knew that these 2 kiddos would eat grapes. This kiddo, actually, her whole plate was seconds, so she did eat all of her grapes. And that kid ate their grapes too. These 3 kids I know did not touch it, so I am probably just going to eat their grapes. Alright, so my first meal of the day, if you will, is going to be grapes. And since I finished my water, I really want an Alani. But I'm only drinking like half this because my husband is doing construction upstairs. Because I want a coffee later today too, so I feel like half an Alani is like plenty of caffeine for this morning. I'm just going to save this for tomorrow. It doesn't really bother me that it goes flat. This one is the Cosmic Stardust Alani. This is one of my faves. Anyway, breakfast. I'm going to hang out with the munchkins. So pretty, so yummy. No, it's an energy drink.